Hey guys, hello and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. My name is Nara G, and today I'll be showing you how I transform these vases, which I actually got from, I think, Facebook Marketplace. I can't even remember where I got this because I've had them around for a while. I had some out from Facebook Marketplace, some from around my neighborhood that has been tossed out, so I keep them to transform them whenever I feel like it. So we'll be transforming this one today. It is very easy and straight to the point. So first things first, I'm giving them a good wipe because I just had them washed and I need for this to be dry enough for me to be able to paint them. So for this, I'll be using spray paint, but you could also use acrylic paint for this if you do not want to use spray paint. So this is a semi-gloss white, and this is what it looks like after I had it spray painted. So I didn't spray the inside because I wanted this to be versatile so I can store whatever inside. I just spray painted the outer part of the vases. So I thought to keep the design the same since I thought it would be nice to keep them as a twin vase. So I'll go ahead to use this gold tape which I got from Amazon. I'll have that linked down in the description box. So I'll go ahead and use this to adorn our vases. Just watch as I complete this. So although I'm using this gold tape around here, this is where I always say do you, okay? So I'm just doing what I personally would prefer, but you could use silver tape, whatever tape, or no tape at all, and this will look just as good. All right, so style is very subjective, so that's up to you. I thought it would be nice to give it a good balance by having the same tape at the bottom part of the vase. So this is what it looked like once I was done applying that. I'll go ahead and use this rhinestones as well, rhinestone ribbon, which I actually also got from Amazon, and I have that linked down below. I'll use this to adorn the neck area around the bottom part of our vase. You know, for our bling lovers or our glam lovers, you can actually add this, and you could go extra if you want to, okay? Alright, so this is just a remake of this video basically because I had this posted on my channel a while back and I thought it would make sense for me to post this independently. Alright, for those of us who haven't watched it yet, here we go. So as you can see, I'm adding a thin layer of the rhinestone ribbon at the neck or the rim of our vase just to give that some kind of a balance. So there is some rhinestone at the top and some at the bottom. And I'll go ahead to do the same on the lid of our vase. And that's it, guys. I'll go ahead and do the same on the other one. Like I said, we're keeping it twin, so the same in other words. Well guys, if you've watched right up to this point, I'll love it if you can comment vases down in the comment section. That is the word for the day, or word of the day. Thank you. And please do let me know what you think about this DIY today. Very simple and straight to the point. And if you haven't watched my other videos on how I made that gold wall art, you can go ahead and check that out in the in the description box below or on my channel. All right, I'll have the link somewhere down below. With that said, do not forget to give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy this video, and also hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you do not miss a thing. Thank you for watching and have a great day.